Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all of us creative folks. One of the highlights is the Smart Scene Cut feature. If you want to become a pro at using this feature, make sure to keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Identifying the key moments and then creating clips from them is a long and tedious job for a content creator or video editor. But with Filmora's Smart Scene Cut, you can create highlights, character scenes, or custom scenes with just a few clicks. Upon detecting scenes, Filmora automatically generates separate clips for each, making it easier for users to manage and edit their videos. This is particularly useful when working with a long video that contains multiple scenes, as it solves problems users face when they have to manually go through, split, and choose parts of the video material. Now, let's see what Smart Scene Cut feature can do for you. Extract scenes featuring people. Identify and extract the person in the video, and with Smart Scene Cut, extract scenes containing that person automatically. Cut highlight scenes. When selecting the highlight scene in Smart Scene Cut, Filmora will automatically find and cut your video's best scenes based on semantic or visual highlights. Cut object scenes. Select the option from your video that you want to spotlight, and let Filmora work its magic by detecting and cutting scenes featuring that object. Now let's see how to use Smart Scene Cut in Filmora 14. Step 1. Launch Filmora and start a new project. Import a long video in the media bin, and then you'll notice a small icon of Smart Scene Cut on your footage thumbnail. Or right-click on your footage and select Smart Scene Cut. Step 2. Click Start, and Filmora will start analyzing and identifying video content. Step 3. When analyzing is done, Filmora will display separate scenes. You can choose between highlights, characters, and customize object scenes. Step 4. When you're done with scene selection and scene cut part, you can select and add extra scenes to the Smart Scene Cut timeline. Then click on Edit on the main timeline, and now you can do further editing, like adding text, stickers, or effects. Now, let me show you a side-by-side comparison between the manual highlight creation and a highlight creation with the Smart Scene Cut, and you can see the difference. Smart Scene Cut saves a lot of time over manual and traditional scene cutting, which makes it perfect for vlogs, event videos, or even on the go. What are you waiting for? Download the Filmora 14 from the link in the description and dive into the world of AI. If you found it helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.